Actually, I was like also building one app for you right now, but seems to have run into some issue. So we'll just do it like right now. We'll do it with our notebooks and all, and I will try and deploy it afterwards. Okay. So sorry for the inconvenience, everyone.
Okay, Karan.
Okay, we are live now. Good afternoon, everyone. We will wait for 5 to 10 minutes, then we will start the workshop.
Karan, you can share the screen and check whether everything is okay or not.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Just a sec. I'll start sharing. Okay, so can everyone see my screen now?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Great.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let me know like when we would like to start.
I will start within 2 minutes. Karan,
Okay.
just 2 minutes.
Yes. In between, anyone has any doubts, any questions with regarding any machine learning or any new technology trend, they can ask away.
Ma'am, shall we start the session?
Karan sir, can you please stop sharing your screen so that Khushi will present her screen?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, thank you.
Vandana, shall we start the session? Hello, Yashika, am I audible?
Yes, you're audible.
मैम reply नहीं कर रही कुछ भी.
Wait, I'm calling her.
Yes, yes, yes. We can start.
Okay. There are some people who live in a dream world, and there are some who face reality. And then there are those who turn one into another. With these beautiful words by Douglas Everett, let us begin the today's workshop. A warm welcome and good afternoon to one and all present here. I, Akash Agarwal, co-chair of GFG chapter AITR, on behalf of CSIT department, want to greet the guest of our today's session, Karan Mittal sir, who is one of the alumni of batch 2021 and has achieved so much in a short period of time. Dr. Shilpa Bharerao ma'am, HOD CSIT, faculty head Garima Kumrabat ma'am, Vandana Kate ma'am, respected faculty members, and all my dear friends. There is a famous saying by Marissa Mayer that geeks are people who love something so much that all the details matter. Many have tried to define who these geeks are, but this one is right on spot. For a geek, all that is required to keep him busy and happy is a group of other geeks working on the same problem, trying to figure out some answer. How many times are you frustrated while working out for a good collection of programming questions, algorithm questions, and most importantly, interview questions? What did you expect and what did you get? This is where Geeks for Geeks come into the picture, a computer science portal for geeks by geeks. Now, I would like to call Khushi Pastaria, the public relation head of our chapter. Over to you, Khushi.
Good afternoon, all. Machine learning is a science of teaching machine how to learn by themselves. Now you might be thinking, why on the earth would we want machine to learn by themselves? As it has a lot of application in our daily life, like Alexa. Alexa is a virtual assistant system developed by Amazon, which has the capability to interact with human being and make their life easier. The scope of machine learning is not limited to a particular domain, but it is expanding its wing all around. Whether it is the IT sector, healthcare domain, media, or entertainment field, the presence of machine learning can be felt by everyone. Due to the sudden burst From the job perspective, there is an exponential growth of data scientists and machine learning jobs all over the world, with an average pay of 1 lakh USD. As this is the developing field, and there is a lot of upcoming research work which can revolutionize the human race. With a short description about machine learning, let us begin today's workshop. Now, I would like to welcome Karan Mittal sir, who is the alumni of batch 2021, as he has achieved so much in the field of machine learning. He worked as data engineer, data visualization expert, and he is an organizer at GDG Cloud. Also, he is a Matty at Matters Without Borders. He is also contributor at Plotte and TransferFlow. Welcome, sir.
Thank you, both of you, Kushi and Akash. Thank you for speaking so highly of me. I am just your alumni, just 1 year old. So again, I am also available on LinkedIn and other various other platforms. Always happy to help everyone. And so let's start with machine learning. So this exciting field now. Let me just start by sharing my screen. Okay. So today's our workshop is more oriented towards the deployment part of the machine learning, because from what I have listened from Vandana ma'am and other faculty members as well, that students basically face problem like they did the work, they developed the algorithm, they developed the model, but now they don't know how to deploy it. So let me tell you, like there are various tools available for that part, and today we are going to use one of them. The tool that we're going to use, I have personally worked on that tool as well. So therefore, it's my personal recommendation that you use that specific tool to deploy your machine learning projects and easily showcase your work. Okay. As a student, I think that's very important that you are able to show your work to others, and that's what we are going to do here as well. So today we are going to look at some of the problems that machine learning is solving in current age and why it's so important, and then we are going to look at some of the example works in machine learning, and then we are going to look at very simple problem statement list as the linear regression, and that we have implemented from scratch, and then we will try to deploy that simple as a simple web app. It's all like deployable. You can share that URL and everything else with others. So like we are going to build it from just scratch. Okay, so let's start. So why machine learning or data science right now? So as my like as Kushi said, like machine learning has been growing exponentially. So like the field is very in demand and people are looking for experienced persons. But without experience, like so suppose you don't have the experience to show. So when I graduated from college, so it was in back in 2021. So I didn't have any like I can show my experience as work experience only, like as my projects, as my samples, not the actual time experience that I can have. So how to apply for that? So I took an approach where whatever I built, I basically try to use the Jupyter notebooks and various other like web apps. So that got complicated really easy. Like how to showcase others. And so one time also like I got an AWS charge of 5,000 1 month cause of I deployed too many apps online. So that was like that can also happen. So we have to also take care of the charges and other stuff. So as a student, I thought the nahi yaar, we should have something else. We should have something a cheaper option and something better, and that can also help me deploy the machine learning app faster. So like I should not be dealing with this Django, Flask, and other various backend stuff. Rather than I should deal with the my model only. My problem statement is my machine learning model. Nothing else should be a matter to me. So I did that. So now let's just learn like how machine learning is like now revolutionizing the world, and specifically that deployment, and specifically how you can see that the change has been coming. So um, okay, yeah. So I was just looking at this article, and this article gave me a good insights. Like I thought that this might be interesting to you as well. So basically, right now, the major problem solving in machine learning is focused on like it's variously focused on various sectors of interest. But right now, my two main topic of interest are medical industry and sports industry. Sports industry is also very heavily linked to the medical industry as well. So mainly my research goes into that as well. So basically what people are doing right now with the sports industry is they are understanding the human patterns, that is on the psychological points, like how the team games are being played, what kind of strategies are built. But they are also understanding like the body gestures of the athletes, and if that particular body gesture can help you. So physiotherapists are taking out from that, and they are also studying the supplements the athletes are taking, and various other things. So as you can see, like they are monitoring every aspect of the players right now in this example, as you can see. And this strategy, the psychological coherence that they make, that's really wonderful. What kind of insights they are making. I'm also working on a similar project right now. That's why I just wanted to show you, like machine learning is it's way above and beyond than your simple web applications and various other things. But it's important that you know that stuff, because at the end, once you do your research, you have to publish those results, and publishing those, you need internet. Web is a very important part, but now you don't need to learn the whole HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and all the other backend frameworks. Rather than just learn one thing and focus on your machine learning problem statement and connect it and just deploy it. Okay, so this is one part. Now I wanted to show you another example. Yeah, here. So here, this is one of my previous projects basically. So it was, as I told you, one of the related to sports only. So this is a soccer, basically an analysis of the soccer game. So what I did was I got the player positions for, I got a data set that had player positions with timestamp. Okay, each player position. So I made this. It takes time. Mm, okay, yeah. So I hope you can see the zoomed in version. So if I start running, so you can see like this red dot is the ball. So how easy it was for me to visualize this data set. And on this data set only, we did some amazing calculations, and now we are in the process of verifying it with other data sets as well of the same soccer, and hope it's see some good work here. And this is deployed on a free Heroku, basically free Heroku server. It's not charging me anything. So like if you think that it is very cost heavy or resource heavy machine learning algorithms are, it's not. So I just wanted to bust that myth as well. Okay, and other than that, I have various other works. I will start showing them little bit by little bit. And, examples we saw that example. Yeah, one other example that I think everyone will be interested in. So how many of you are interested in Tesla cars? So that auto driving part. So